Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another session of us learning information literacy. So today we are going to see something on publish information sources. So let me open my work. Publish information sources. From the definition, then we are going to see examples, giving examples and while explaining them. So from the definition, published information sources are materials that has been officially released to the public, that is often through repeatable channels like the books, websites, or newspapers, among others. So now first we have scholarly journals, because in our topic we have said we're going to talk about journals, the books, conference papers, reports, and then the grey literature. So beginning from the scholarly journals. So journals are the collection of the articles written by the experts in the specific field. They are the gold standard for research because they typically undergo peer review, where the other experts vet the work before it is published. So the future, we have highly specialized formal language includes an abstract and a bibliography, and best for use finding original research, specific case studies, and the latest theoretical developments. So the example, we have Nature into bracket Science, the Lancet into bracket Medicine, the Harvard Business Review Management. And then we have another one next slide. We have books into bracket monographs, so edited volumes. Books provide a comprehensive, big pictures. Look at the topic. While they take longer to publish than journals, they offer deep historical context and thorough analysis. Key features: extensive length, broad scope, often published by university presses, e.g. Oxford University Press, and best for use of the books. Learning the foundations of subject or finding an exhaustive overview of a theory. Examples: The Silent Spring by Rachel Carson, Environmental Science, Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman, Psychology, Economics. Then our next, we have conference papers. These are papers presented at professional meetings or proceedings. They often represent the very first time new research is shared with the public, even before it makes it into a journal. So the key feature, we have current, cutting edge, sometimes less polished than journal articles, focus on specific niche problems, best for tracking the cutting edge of the technology or fast-moving fields like artificial intelligence and engineering. Examples: we have papers from IEEE International Conference on Robotics and Automations, proceedings of annual meeting of the Association for Computational Linguistics. So those are the examples of the conference. So next we have reports. So reports are documents produced by organizations, into bracket government, NGOs, or corporations to provide information or recommendations on specific issues. Key features: data driven, often focused on policy or technical specifications, usually free to access, best for finding statistics, government stances, or industry-specific data. Example, the IPCC assessment report, the into bracket climate change, World Economic Outlook by the IMF into bracket finance. So that's all about the reports. And then we have another published source of information. So we have grey literature. In grey literature, this refers to information produced by organizations out of traditional commercial or academic publishing channels. It is great because it can be harder to find and isn't always indexed in standard databases. And the key features: diverse formats, often lacks formal peer review, highly practical, best for use finding what? Hidden data, such as negative results in clinical trials or local government planning. Examples: this or dissertation, University of Oxford, the few achieves. White papers, a tech companies deep dive into a new software architecture and patents, documentation for a new invention at the US top. So this was probably what I could tell you guys about published information sources as being described as materials that have been officially released to the public, as often throughout reputable channels like the books, websites, newspapers, reports, journals, conference papers, and grey literature. Yeah, guys, we catch up in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the tutorials with your friends, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We catch up in the next video. Thank you.